Well, Loretta, Leroy, and Harry B. We got some news we'd like to share with you. Don't change the channel, don't go nowhere. Stay right there in your rocking chair. Sometimes people say we're not very nice. That's okay, that's alright. 'Cause you need a little sugar, and then you need a little spice.
Oh, good, you're off the floor again, Leroy. Thank God.
I was down. I was going
Down in the
a little
cellar?
bit. Down in the cellar.
What were you looking for?
You never know what you're going to find when you go down. You know what I mean?
Okay, so we know now that you're Leroy and I'm
I'm
Loretta.
Leroy, and
I'm Loretta.
you're Loretta.